Guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to start the new PIM boss fight in Slap Battle. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to start the new PIM boss fight, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So you would pretty much want to go into either a normal arena or default arena. I prefer the normal arena. But anyways, from here you want to simply go into the middle and you're going to click on inspect on this little yellow thing. It's going to have two question marks. Go ahead and click inspect, and then what's pretty much going to happen is you're going to get transported into a cutscene, and then from here you can go ahead and just watch the cutscene if you'd like, or you can skip it. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna just skip it for now, but pretty much from here you can go ahead and you will be teleported, I believe, into a new world or some hypnotic state or whatever, and then you can go ahead and do the boss fight from here pretty much. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I'm like in another world or whatnot. Go ahead and just whatever, go through. Let's move the wheel. Move equals die. Yeah, but pretty much you want to pretty much just, like I said, just do this like maze or whatever this is. Let's go ahead and inspect. If he looks, don't move. Okay, so I'm gonna assume whoever this guy is, I guess, I don't know, I think that's Ken, but yeah, if he moves, just don't move or whatever. But pretty much, again, like I said, you want to just do this mission or whatever, and you guys should be able to get to the boss fight, and that is pretty much it. I'm a little bit confused what this wheel is, but anyways, yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.